Have you ever wondered what a river could teach us about life? Picture this. A tranquil scene unfolds where a man named Dakshin, fresh from surgery, seeks solace by a peaceful river. In the gentle lapping of the waters, Dakshin finds a soothing rhythm, a quiet symphony that speaks to his weary heart. He is drawn to this serene sanctuary, away from the hustle and bustle of life, away from the sterile confines of the hospital. One day, an empty boat drifts by. At first, it's a mild annoyance. Whose boat is this? Why is it here? But upon closer inspection, there's no one aboard. It's just an empty vessel, carried along by the river's current. This sight sparks a revelation in Dakshin. He realizes that the boat is similar to his own worries and anxieties about recovery. They're like this empty boat, devoid of any real substance, merely shadows floating on the water of his mind. He thinks aloud, worrying about every little thing is like carrying an empty boat. It's unnecessary. It's a profound realization, one that changes his perspective on his journey to recovery. From that moment, Dakshin makes a conscious decision to let go of these empty worries. He releases the unnecessary stress and minor discomforts, allowing them to drift away like the empty boat on the river. Feeling lighter, Dakshin embraces the peace that the river offers. His recovery becomes a journey of healing without the weight of unnecessary burdens. He whispers to himself, letting go of empty boats, on the path to true recovery. In the end, the wisdom of the empty boat teaches Dakshin, and indeed all of us, a valuable lesson. To heal, we must let go of unnecessary worries, just as the river carries away the empty boat. So remember, next time you feel weighed down by worries, think of the empty boat. Let it serve as a reminder to release your burdens and let the healing river of life guide you towards a healthier, more peaceful tomorrow. And that, my friends, is the lesson of the river. A gentle reminder to embrace the healing journey and let go of the empty boats in our lives. Because after all, aren't many of our worries just like that empty boat, drifting aimlessly on the water,